In a significant judgment that will have long-term ramifications, especially in the political circles, the Supreme Court has rejected multiple petitions seeking 100% cross-verification of votes that have been cast through electronic voting machines by matching them with voter-verifiable paper audit trail slips, or VVPATs as they are called in short, and a return to the old system of voting through ballot papers. The Supreme Court made it amply clear that petitioners' apprehensions on EVMs can be tampered with, are misplaced and have no basis. Within hours of EVM VVPAT verdict, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took on the INDIA leaders for defaming EVMs and wanting to go back to paper ballot days when they looted the votes. PM said EVMs have empowered the poor and the honest voters.
चुनाव के दिन लूट चलाते थे, वोट हड़प करने के खेल खेलते थे। इन लोगों से बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा था। अभी भी वो परेशान है और इसलिए उनका दिन रात यही काम रहता है, कैसे भी करके ईवीएम हटना चाहिए। ये बटन दबाने वाला खेल बंद होना चाहिए, यही उनका खेल चल रहा है। इंडी गठबंधन के हर नेता ने ईवीएम को लेकर जनता के मन में संदेह पैदा करने का पाप किया है। आज उच्च न्यायालय ने, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने साफ साफ कह दिया है कि बैलेट पेपर वाला पुराना दौर वापस लौट करके नहीं आएगा। आज जब पूरी दुनिया भारत के लोकतंत्र की, भारत की चुनाव प्रक्रिया की, भारत के चुनावों में टेक्नोलॉजी के उपयोग की वाहवाही करती है, तारीफ करती है, तब ये लोग अपने निजी स्वार्थ के लिए बदनीयत से ईवीएम को बदनाम करने पर लगे पड़े थे। इन्होंने लोकतंत्र के साथ लगातार विश्वासघात करने की कोशिश की है, लेकिन आज इन्हीं लोगों को देश की सर्वोच्च अदालत ने, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऐसा करारा तमाचा मारा है, ऐसा करारा तमाचा मारा है, ये अब मुंह ऊंची करके देख नहीं पाएंगे जी।
The lawyer for the petitioners, Prashant Bhushan, later confirmed the development. Meanwhile, Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal welcomed the decision, saying that till recently Rahul Gandhi had been criticizing the Election Commission and Priyanka Gandhi continued to blame the EVMs. National Conference's Omar Abdullah has expressed hope that in future 100% EVM VVPAT verification might happen.
जब भाजपा जीतती है तो ईवीएम खराब कैसे हो जाती है? ये यक्ष प्रश्न है, आपको भी उनसे ये पूछना चाहिए। 91 करोड़ मतदाता भारत के अपने मतदान का प्रयोग करेंगे इस चुनाव में, और दुनिया के देश आकर के देख रहे हैं कि इतने मतदाता इतने पोलिंग स्टेशन पे कैसे मतदान कर रहे हैं, कैसे मतदान शांतिपूर्ण हो रहा है, कैसे मतदान निष्पक्ष हो रहा है, वो तारीफ कर रहे हैं। और ये देश को बदनाम करने के लिए हमारी संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को बदनाम कर रहे हैं।
काश नहीं किया होता। वीवीपैट ही एक तरीका है जिससे कि वोटर जो है वो मुतमईन हो सके कि जो बटन उन्होंने दबाया है वही वोट जो है मशीन में गया है। लेकिन इस बार नहीं, चलिए अगली बार कोशिश तो हमारी जारी रहेगी कि तमाम वीवीपैट्स जो हैं उनको जो है रिकंसाइल करके ही इलेक्शन का नतीजा जो है वो डिक्लेयर किया जाना चाहिए।
ईवीएम जो है इनमें एक प्रोग्रामेबल मेमोरी होती है और इसलिए इनको मैनिपुलेट किया जा सकता है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये सारी हमारी मांगें को ठुकरा दिया है और ये बोला है कि अच्छा इलेक्शन कमीशन इसको एग्जामिन करे कि सारे बैलेट पेपर्स पर अगर हम वो डाल दें मार्क, उस पर मार्क डाल दें जिसको बार कोड जिसको कहते हैं, बार कोड डाल दें तो उसकी फिर मैकेनिकली मशीन से काउंटिंग हो सकती है कि नहीं, इसको एग्जामिन करें।
Meanwhile, Congress's Jairam Ramesh, however, said that even though Congress was not party to the petitions that were heard in the court today, it will continue to campaign politically for greater use of VVPATs. Meanwhile, Rajiv Chandrasekhar took a dig at the opposition, and Congress predicted that EVMs will be blamed after June 4 when the results will be out. Now, the major issues raised by the petitioners were that the EVMs can be hacked and hence there's a need to do 100% verification of matching votes with voter verifiable paper audit trail slips, as well as going back to paper ballots. The court made it amply clear that 100% verification was not possible and that going back to paper ballots has its own drawbacks. Meanwhile, the court has also issued two directions to the Election Commission of India. One, that after the completion of symbol loading process, the symbol loading unit should be sealed and stored for 45 days after the results have been declared. And second, the burnt memory in the microcontroller EVM shall be checked by a team of engineers after the declaration of results if any candidate requests for it within 7 days. The court has also raised doubts on the petitioner Prashant Bhushan's intention. The court said that vested interests are working to undermine nation's progress. The judgment comes as a huge blow to the EVM naysayers who have been raising suspicions over the possibility of EVMs getting tampered with. The court came down heavily on the petitioners and made some scathing observations. On petitioners' demand of 100% verification of votes with VVPAT slips, the top court said that the voter has no fundamental right to get the vote verified or check that their vote has been recorded as cast and counted.
40 बार लगभग इस देश की संवैधानिक कोर्ट्स, हाई कोर्ट्स एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स ईवीएम के ऊपर में जितनी चुनौतियां हुई हैं उनको देख चुकी हैं। हर बार संवैधानिक कोर्ट्स ने इसको रिजेक्ट किया है। Political parties have come into existence because of the EVMs. There are many smaller political parties which in the age of the ballot papers might have not come into the existence. It was the fairness and the political parties know in the heart of their hearts. EVMs are 100% safe, 100% sure. We know now.
Harish now joins us for more details on this very, very politically rife story. Harish, now Congress continues to say that they are going to politically raise this issue even though they were not party to this petition. The court seemed pretty unequivocal when they gave a verdict against VVPATs. Do the petitioners have any other legal option that they can explore right now that could give ammunition to the Congress and other political parties?
Yes, in fact, Priya, it's a very relevant question, but even the Supreme Court bench, the two-judge bench of Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Dipankar Datta has also dealt with this issue, saying that enough of it. Supreme Court has adjudicated on this issue already thrice. First, when the Supreme Court had ordered VVPAT for verification for the voters. Number two, when the Supreme Court expanded the quantum of verification from 1 EVM to 5 EVMs per assembly. And now today, the Supreme Court dismissing the plea for 100% verification of VVPAT slips. And today, the judgment, Supreme Court has very clearly said that the petitioners had failed to establish that EVMs have been hacked. We have already adjudicated this issue several times, and please put a stop to it. Unless and until you have clear evidence, please don't come again. These lines are there in the judgment which has been passed by Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has also very significantly questioned the bona fides of the Association of Democratic Reforms, who was represented by Prashant Bhushan, saying that recently there has been a trend. It's clearly an attempt to undermine the achievements and accomplishments of the country and attempt to demean and weaken the countries at a time when the country is progressing rapidly, and attacking the electoral system and creating fear-mongering is nothing but a part of it. And Supreme Court very clearly said that the EVM system prevents booth capturing, and also the recent increase in the voting percentage is testimony to the fact that EVMs are very popular among the voters, rather than Prashant Bhushan citing some random private polls and saying that this majority of the voters don't trust EVMs. And the Supreme Court has very clearly said that the voters do not have a fundamental right to get a guarantee that the vote has been cast and recorded as counted. And very significantly, Priya, in fact, the Supreme Court also countered in its judgment the argument that several European countries like Germany had reverted to paper ballot, and said, please look at the population of India. There are around 70 to 80 crore registered voters, while a country like Germany has just 6 crore voters. Justice Dipankar Datta went on to say that
a very comprehensive point-by-point rebuttal while coming to that verdict by the Supreme Court judges there, Harish, but also they have provided options for reprieve in case the candidates think that things have not been fair. They can get the EVMs checked by the engineers of the EVM manufacturers. Thank you for joining us with those insights on the story. The political war, however, will continue. But